Hi guys, this is just a short video to let you know I went to Toys R Us today, so there was meant to be a video of Minecraft or game today, but and it's supposed to be a live stream today, but that got delayed by me going to Toys R Us and buying this. Yes, this sonic screwdriver is the touch control one, so it has no button, except for touch control. Ready? I have to find the right spot. So yeah, it's tricky to find a spot, but yeah, I've got the Doctor Who, the 12 Doctors touch control sonic screwdriver. And I should be using it in videos. I don't know, role playing videos. There you go. I think the spot's like somewhere there. It does include Excellent and also this removable power cord. So basically what you do, pull it out. There you go, you got your removable power cord. Just slot it back in until you hear a click like this. Like that. So yeah, but one cool thing is if you go like so if you hold it still and go it should start, you know, for 3 times for low and 4 times for like yeah. So that's just a quick toy review. Hope to see you soon.